and welcome back to Bookish Theories. In today's video I would like to talk about Stray Kids X, focusing on a little breakdown and analysis of both the lyrics and the music video. X is a song that deals with the themes of sadness, regret, and loneliness that tells the story of a person who thinks back to a past relationship that they ruined because of their actions. The Korean title of the song literally translates into crazy man or insane person, but in the context of the song, the title can also have a derogatory tone that can be roughly translated as crazy bastard or punk. Now, even if the lyrics describe a situation where the protagonist X is lashing out and cursing them out of hatred, the song also implies that it's the speaker themselves the one who caused this breakup to begin with. So if at first glance the X seems to be the bastard of the two, in reality Stray Kids themselves play the role of the crazy man who have let them go. You see, X here is a song that describes a moment of self-reflection where the boys think back at their past mistakes and realize that they're the ones to blame for their own misery. And this idea is conveyed since the very first verse, where the boys reminisce the day they sent the other person away after realizing that their feelings for them were gone for good. By their own admission, this was all their fault. They were the ones who fell out of love, the ones who broke up with them, and the ones who didn't even thank them in the end. But soon enough, their mistakes come back to haunt them because, in spite of their bad behavior, now they are the ones suffering and regretting the choices that led them to this point. Now that their loved one is gone, their longing makes them search for their ex in their broken memories. But their mistakes ruin their relationship so much that they can only remember their tears. And this realization obviously makes them miserable because now that they are alone, the boys realize that that person was all that they had. Thinking back to the day they broke up with their loved one, the boys express their regret and disbelief by repeating that they must have lost their mind for letting them go, thus confirming that they are the crazy ones that the title is referring to. But as we'll see in a second, the derogatory term that they use in the title is not limited to the day of the breakup, but to their behavior leading up to it as well. As the lyrics tell us, the boys think that their loved one is right for cursing them out until their hatred turns into anger, but even if they still hope that at some point they can go back to how they were, the second verse actually reveals the reason why this will probably won't happen. You see, in the story Stray Kids are telling us here, the protagonist not only left their loved one, didn't thank them, and made up excuses not to be with them, but they also allowed themselves to be drawn by someone else when they were still in their relationship. To the point that even when their loved one asked them about it, they lied and pretended that everything was fine, only to break up with them soon after. Even if at the time they justified their behavior by writing it off as them just not being right for each other. Now that the other person is gone, their absence is making it hard for them to breathe. And even if they were confident that breaking up was the right choice, them realizing their mistakes makes them miserable and regretful. If on the one hand their pride makes them hate themselves for regretting what they did, the truth of the matter is that they miss their loved one and they cannot do anything about it. So now that their mistakes push the other person away to the point that they are unreachable, the price that they have to pay is to live with the pain of not being able to forget them. Now, this sense of longing, regret, and inner turmoil is perfectly conveyed in the music video as well, where the boys are portrayed as ghosts to symbolize the metaphorical death of the happiness that they lost and that still haunts them because of their mistakes. Now, even if in the video the boys are not actually dead, if we consider the overall theme of the song, the visuals are meant to convey the idea that the boys are unable to move on. Much like a ghost that is still attached to the life that they left, the boys are stuck in one place, reliving the memories of the past and repeating the same action over and over again. And this is because the regret that they feel traps them into a limbo of sadness that doesn't allow them to go back in the past or move on in the future. And the styling of the ghost actually reinforces this idea because the aesthetic and tone of the MV heavily recalls the style of A Ghost Story, which is a movie directed by David Lowery that first came out in 2017. Now, A Ghost Story is a movie that follows the existential journey of a man who dies and becomes bound to the home he lived in with his wife. This is a movie that explores the themes of love, loss, and time by portraying the ghost haunting the place he loved the most because of his inability to let go of the house and the woman that he left behind. So if we consider the concept of the video, a callback to this movie is actually very fitting because in both cases, the projects reflect on the protagonist's inability to move on. Much like in a ghost story, the ghosts that we see in X are not meant to be evil or scary, but to symbolize the unsettling reality of a person overcome by sadness and unable to move on with their life. And in the video, this idea is conveyed in the boys' individual scenes as well, where we see each member representing this concept in a very different way. At the beginning, for instance, the video opens with Felix lying in the middle of a toy train set and not moving even after the train goes off the rails. Right off the bat, this is a very fitting opening for the video because the inciting incident of the song is that the protagonist literally went off the rails, lost control, and messed up the only relationship that made him happy. So Felix lying still despite of this event immediately sets the tone for what is about to happen next, which is the boys actually dealing with the consequences that their behavior has caused. This idea is immediately conveyed in the very next scene, where we see Chang being stuck in a corner and surrounded by pictures of trees. Now, if we take a look at the video as a whole, Changbin's scenes are possibly the most obscure out of all of them, because if at the beginning we see him as a ghost surrounded by trees, later on we see him painting a window with blue paint. Now, at first glance, these two events seem to be completely unrelated, but as it turns out, this is not the first time that Changbin is associated with trees and blue paint. Because if we go back and take a look at Streetlight, that video shows us a dead tree covered in blue paint as well. Now, the imagery of a dead tree painted blue here is actually very important because this is a symbol that is usually associated with the Blue Tree Project, which is an initiative that originated in Australia meant to raise awareness for mental health. This is a wonderful project meant to remind us that it's okay not to be okay and that we are stronger than we believe, braver than we think, and loved more than what we know. So if you want to know more, get involved, or maybe make a donation like I did, I will be leaving some links in the description down below for you to check out in your own time. You see, even if the reference to this project is done in a very subtle way, the fact that it was referenced before and that Stray Kids themselves often talked about their mental health implies that the video might also have a more universal message that focuses on raising awareness around depression and a person's journey to overcome it. If you look closely, even if the song is about a breakup, the video mostly focuses on the loneliness and sadness of its aftermath, and the state of mind that is portrayed in the MV is as universal as it is important to portray no matter what originated it. In the video, Stray Kids are dealing with the loss of a love and the regret that they feel for causing this breakup. But what we're seeing can happen at any time and for any reason, thus portraying a struggle that millions of people go through while also conveying the idea that no matter what you're feeling right now, if you hold on a little longer, at the end it really gets better. Much like Felix and Changbin, throughout the video the other members are dealing with their own ghost as well. And like it often happens in reality, all of them are dealing with it in a very different way. Seungmin, for instance, is associated with fire. He longs for warmth, but the fire is fake, thus portraying his attempt to find comfort in a source that is unable to provide it, which, in the context of the song, could very well be the memory of his lost happiness. Hyunjin instead is piling pieces of chalk on top of each other and doesn't stop no matter how many times the chalk falls on the ground. And this is an imagery that conveys an idea of repetition associated to a destructive routine that he seems unable to move on from. Ayan, on the other hand, is shown sitting in front of a birthday cake, which is a scene that perfectly conveys the way depression can be part of your life even in moments that should bring you happiness. While Lino is portrayed drinking multiple glasses of water, then giving up and watering flowers instead, thus showing his attempt at nurturing himself but also depriving himself of this nurture in order to give it to something else. Han instead is portrayed lost in the fantasy of his lost love. We see him surrounded by the clothes of his loved one and actually dancing with one of their shirts. But the happiness of his memory is soon replaced by the desperation of his reality, so we see him breaking down because of his inability to let go. Last but not least, we see Bang Chan, who literally faces his own ghost and for a moment seems to be overcome by the sadness that he feels. Even if he hit rock bottom, however, the video also shows us that this sadness brings him a moment of awakening, thus implying that even at your lowest moment, you can still find strength in yourself and break free from your mental state. Sure enough, this is exactly what we see next. That is the boys getting out of the house and finding comfort in each other. Now, this is a very important scene because what the video is telling us here is that if you find the strength to get out of your comfort zone and actually rely on the people who love you, you will be able to wake up from the nightmare you're living and find happiness again. You see, facing your personal ghost can be a difficult thing to do, even scary if you will, but you don't have to do it alone, and most importantly, you are strong enough to get through it and reclaim the happiness you deserve. So that's it from me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please think about liking and subscribing. As always, thank you so much for watching guys. I'll see you next time. Bye bye!